I want to give you 7 things that you need to take care of, or at least be thinking about as we enter into 2025. Number 1, I want you to review your asset portfolio and determine whether or not you have any assets that would automatically go through probate. If you determine that you do, I want you to contact an attorney and start the process of getting a trust created, especially if you own real estate or have minor children. Number 2, if you already have a trust created, have you actually funded it? Have you deeded over your properties to the trust? If not, your family is going to inherit an empty treasure box. My business owners, if you have an LLC or corporation, I need you to go to your Secretary of State's website, type in your business name, and make sure that your entity is in compliance. In most states, your entity is required to file an annual report or a biannual report or a franchise tax report. This is required to be filed regardless if your business made any money. Some of you were operating in 2024 with inactive, non-compliant, dissolved entities. You have no liability protection operating with an inactive entity. If you have any intellectual property, trademark applications pending, I need you to contact your trademark attorney and determine whether or not there is anything that you need to be providing them to get that trademark application over the finish line. Number 5, if you have not started the process of trademarking, patenting, copywriting, I need you to take an assessment of your business and identify all the intellectual property that you have created. I need you to own it. 2025 is the year of ownership. Number 6, you need to update those contracts. I know when you first started out, you just downloaded whatever you could off of the internet. You are likely operating with outdated clauses and no protection. And last but not least, taxes. There's so many tax strategies as a business owner that you're probably not taking advantage of. Hiring your children, creating a board of advisors, investing in real estate, or maybe it's time that you elect S-Corp status. There's so many other things I can add in this audit, but I'm gonna leave it at the 7 for now, and I'm coming for you in 2025. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.